think in every religious tradition, there has been this issue around ethics. There are really beautiful, amazing teachers, spiritual leaders, and there has been just as much harm done from these beautiful, insightful, powerful teachers as there has been good. And so this comes down to ethics. This comes down to something that in Buddhism we call sila, which I just think is a beautiful word, sorry. So ethics, sila, what it really means is living in harmony. And that's really the problem that we find, in my opinion, with some teachers, religious leaders, is they fall out of harmony, they fall out of step. If you think of it almost like music, I think that's why I like this word harmony. They start playing sort of offbeat. They lose the rhythm of the community. And a lot of times it is their fault and it is intentional, and a lot of times it's just what happens when we start putting people on pedestals and we start treating them like they're special and treating them like they're separate. They become not a part of the community, and that's where they get lost. Because really ethics and being in harmony is an experience of being in community. And it's a direct experience of interdependence. When we are aware of how we are impacting each other, and we are aware of how powerful we are, and we are aware of how much we matter, and how the little things that we do, someone is watching. Someone is always watching. We are always impacting each other. We're always picking up on each other's energy. When we take that seriously, we want to be in harmony. We want to take care of each other. We want to help. We want to be of service. We want to behave kindly and act well, and then ethics is easy. It's not something extra that we have to do. It's not about purity. It's not about self-righteousness. It's not about never making a mistake. I mean, no matter how much you practice, you will not stop being human. Okay? There's no way out of being human. So being human is making mistakes and it's messing up, and so it's how do we hold ourselves together? How do we hold ourselves accountable? How do we take that extra step? It's a vulnerability. It can be scary and say, well, that thing that you just did over there, I saw that and that made me feel unsafe. That made me not want to tell you things or be around you or trust you with my heart when I saw you do that. Help me understand why you did that. When we can say these types of things to each other and talk to each other this way, this is ethics. This is harmony. And that's what this practice is really about. We need mindfulness to be aware of how we are behaving, to be aware of how other people are behaving, and then to communicate from this place where we're not being judgmental, where we're being compassionate and